Imagine living on the streets with nothing but a burning desire to turn your life around. Now picture becoming a world-renowned author, speaker, and expert on making dreams come true. This is not just a story. It's the reality of Dr. Joe Vitale, a man who went from having nothing to teaching millions around the globe how to manifest their deepest desires. Dr. Vitale's journey is a testament to the power of the law of attraction, a principle that suggests we can attract into our lives whatever we're focusing on. It sounds simple, yet it's profound. Through The Secret and his own teachings, Dr. Vitale has shown how shifting our thoughts and feelings can lead to significant changes in our lives. But how does it all work? How have people worldwide transformed their reality using these principles? This is the essence of our journey today, as we delve into the extraordinary life of Dr. Joe Vitale and the universal law of attraction. What if the key to unlocking your deepest desires lies in the quiet moments just before sleep? It's in these moments, as the world slows down and your mind begins to drift, that you can harness a powerful technique to shape your reality. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's about setting the stage for your subconscious mind to work its magic throughout the night. Studies and experts suggest that our pre-sleep thoughts can significantly influence our mindset and ultimately our reality. Imagine ending your day not with worries or stress, but with a deliberate routine that aligns your deepest desires with the universe's abundant possibilities. This part of our series dives into the nighttime routine that Dr. Joe Vitale swears by, a simple yet profound process to manifest desires. From understanding the scientific and psychological foundation behind this method to hearing firsthand how it has changed lives, we'll guide you step by step on how to create your own pre-sleep ritual for manifestation. Through this practice, you'll learn to transform the energy of your thoughts into a magnet for the experiences and outcomes you wish to attract into your life. Moving forward in our exploration of spiritual practices that transform lives, we uncover the ancient Hawaiian healing process known as Ho'oponopono. This method, rooted in responsibility and forgiveness, teaches us that healing ourselves can lead to healing our relationships and, by extension, the world around us. Ho'oponopono centers around 4 simple yet profound phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These words embody the process of recognizing our own part in creating our reality, seeking forgiveness for our errors, expressing gratitude, and loving unconditionally. But it's not just about saying these phrases, it's about feeling them deeply and understanding their power to cleanse and clear our minds and hearts of negativity. This section of our series offers practical exercises to start incorporating Ho'oponopono into your daily life, illustrating how such a simple practice can lead to profound changes in your inner peace and happiness. Through stories and guidance, we'll see how this ancient wisdom is not only relevant, but essential in today's world, providing a pathway to healing and fulfillment that begins within ourselves. Now let's dive into how you can actively use the law of attraction in your life. This powerful principle isn't just about wishing for what you want, it's about creating a clear and present pathway for those wishes to find their way to you. The key lies in clarity and emotional alignment, knowing precisely what you want and aligning your feelings with those desires. Imagine painting a vivid picture in your mind where every detail contributes to a larger vision of your life. This is the essence of effective visualization, a practice that turns abstract desires into tangible goals. However, it's not uncommon to encounter doubts or skepticism along the way. This is where we learn to navigate through our own uncertainties, transforming them into stepping stones towards our goals. Through simple yet impactful visualization techniques and habits, this section will guide you on how to set clear intentions, foster a positive mindset, and overcome the hurdles that might have held you back. It's about turning "I wish" into "I will" and watching the magic unfold in your life. Next, we explore unlocking your inner power, a journey that begins deep within yourself. It's about discovering and tapping into the vast potential that resides within us all. This isn't just about thinking positively, it's about finding the unique strengths and abilities that make you who you are and using them to create the life you've always wanted. Through practical exercises, you can start to peel back the layers of self-doubt and limitation, revealing the powerful creator beneath. This part of our guide offers a roadmap for identifying your inner potential, with steps designed to help you understand and utilize this power in every aspect of your life. From personal anecdotes to practical advice, you'll learn how your inner strength can influence your external world, leading to success and fulfillment in ways you might never have imagined. It's about recognizing that the key to achieving your dreams lies not in the external world, but within you. As we continue our journey into the power of personal and spiritual development, we now turn our focus to extending the healing and transformative effects of Ho'oponopono into our relationships with others. This ancient Hawaiian practice teaches us the power of forgiveness, not just for ourselves, but for those around us, fostering deeper connections and healing. Imagine a world where conflicts are resolved not through contention or resentment, but through understanding, forgiveness, and unconditional love. This section delves into practical ways you can use Ho'oponopono to support friends, family, and even acquaintances, transforming your relationships and creating a ripple effect of positivity in your community. From simple techniques that can be used in everyday conversations to more profound practices that deepen your connections, you'll discover how healing yourself can indeed heal others. Through stories of real-life transformations, you'll see the powerful impact Ho'oponopono can have on relationships, proving that love and forgiveness are indeed the most powerful forces for change. Moving into the realm of science and spirituality, we delve into the scientific foundations that support the law of attraction. While some may view the law of attraction as purely mystical, research and studies have begun to shed light on how our thoughts and emotions can indeed influence our reality. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about how the energy of our thoughts can align with the energy of our desires to bring about change. In this section, we explore how the subconscious mind plays a crucial role in this process. The subconscious isn't just a storage space for hidden memories. It's a powerful part of your mind that influences your beliefs, actions, and ultimately your outcomes in life. We'll look at how you can harness this power by bridging the gap between your conscious desires and subconscious beliefs using techniques grounded in both science and spirituality. Through understanding the science behind the law of attraction, you'll find a more solid foundation for your practice, blending the best of both worlds to create a powerful approach to manifesting your desires. One of the most significant hurdles on the path to manifesting our desires is overcoming our own limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts and assumptions that hold us back, telling us what we can't do, can't have, or can't be. But the truth is, these beliefs are not fixed. They are merely habits of thinking that we've developed over time. This part of our series focuses on strategies for identifying these limiting beliefs and techniques for dismantling them, allowing us to move forward unencumbered by self-doubt. We'll explore practical exercises to help reprogram the subconscious mind, where many of these beliefs reside, turning them from barriers into gateways for success. Through inspiring stories of individuals who have overcome deep-seated doubts and fears, you'll see that no belief is too ingrained to be changed. It's all about taking those first steps towards recognizing the power of your thoughts and reshaping them to support your goals and dreams. Imagine being able to speed up the process of turning your dreams into reality. That's the promise of the 3-day rule, a fascinating principle that suggests you can begin to see the effects of your intentions within just 3 days. This isn't about magic or wishful thinking, it's about focusing your energy and aligning your actions in a way that accelerates the manifestation process. The 3-day rule is based on the idea that by holding a clear, strong intention and combining it with specific, purposeful actions, you can create a momentum that brings your desires to you faster. This section of our series offers a practical, step-by-step guide on how to apply this rule in your life. From clarifying your intentions to taking aligned actions, we'll explore how to use this rule to not only achieve your goals, but to do so with greater speed and efficiency. Through examples of people who have successfully used the 3-day rule to transform their lives, you'll be inspired to test it out for yourself and witness the power of rapid manifestation. As we conclude our series, we recognize the importance of integrating all these practices into a holistic approach to personal development and manifestation. It's not just about using the law of attraction, Ho'oponopono, or unlocking your inner power in isolation. It's about combining these techniques to create a powerful, comprehensive strategy for growth and fulfillment. This involves setting up a daily practice that blends these elements, fostering an environment where continuous learning and adaptation become a part of your journey. Just like threads woven into a strong fabric, each practice strengthens the others, creating a more resilient and vibrant tapestry of your life. As you blend these techniques, remember to keep an open mind, be patient with yourself, and always be willing to adapt and evolve. Your path to personal empowerment is unique, and by nurturing your spiritual and personal growth daily, you'll discover the boundless potential that lies within you. If you found value in this series, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support encourages us to keep sharing more insights and strategies to help you on your path to a fulfilling life.